Hello everybody. Today we're going to pick a challenge lock. This one is Den Brass Easy. This one was sent to me by Pickaholic. It's a US lock. It's got a quick set KW1 blank, but looks like a Weiser. It's got that big top of the keyway there. Anyways, there's the bitting. All hand cut. Let's see if we can't get it open today. Haven't picked the lock in a while, but today we are gonna. Alright, zoom in a little bit where we can see it. Hopefully this thing will stay focused. Now that it is a big wide open keyway, I'll put my two taped up together tension wrenches. The thinner ones by Sparrows. Works pretty good. It's a lot tighter than a 50 thousandths. Alright, here we go to the back. Already got a false set from 5. Got a click from 3, a little more rotation. Some counter and a click off of 1. A little rotation from 3. Oh, and we're open off 3. Got a little click out of 3 and it's open. Awesome. Awesome. Alright. Put that away. Zoom out here. And we'll see what Den Brass put in the lock. Always something amazing usually. Get set up. Alright. Try to leave it locked up. Or unlocked, sorry. And we'll get this bad boy apart. Hopefully with no errors. Come on, get out of there, screw. Alright, got the screw off. Grab a shim. Shim it. Come on, shim. I don't think it's all the way in there. There's a little more. Try that again. Come on, shim. Cooperate. Cooperate with me. There we go. Nice. Alright, here's the core. Looks like everything's threaded in the core. Grab that key. Show you that everything works pretty good. Works nice. Alright, let's dump these guys out. See what we got. Den Brass always makes some really nice pins. Come out of there. There we go. And everybody's out. Everything was threaded. Pins are looking sharp. Get them all orientated the right way. Alright. Let's have a look up top here. Nice pins. Looks like you reused some key pins there. Get that spring out. I'll use this tool that Turkmat got me. So some little dental pick. There we go, copper spring. Alright, find my tweezers now. Have to dig that guy out too. Shoot. Come out, spring. Come on, there we go. It's gonna be a long video. Oh, we shot him out into space. Okay. Looks like another T-pin. Those springs do not want to come out. It's okay, grab that guy real quick. Set him down. That shim out of the way. Alright, bear with me, guys. It's been a while since I picked a lock. Not too bad at picking a lock. Just getting them open, that's hard. That's the hard part. Anymore. Number 6. And number 4. Well, he wanted to come out. Alright. Looking in the Bible. Nothing going on up there. Awesome. Alright. Let's see if we can't show off these pins. My little pointer file here. Number 1, we had a barrel type spool, and up top we got a spool with a serration. Number 2 was multiple serrated, small tiny serrations, pretty awesome. And up top was it's a T-pin with a serration. Thought it was might be a pin and pin, no, just a T-pin. Spool with a serration, nice mushroomy spool there with serrated T-pin. Couple serrations on a spool there. Another T-pin with the serration. And number 5 is multiple serrated with a spool on top, and then all all copper springs on the top. Yeah, so there's the pins. Awesome lock. Good job, Den Brass. Thank you, Pickaholic, for sending it to me. Let's zoom out here, and hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching. And as always, be well and behave.